Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks in Minecraft. First, you'll need to find clay. Look for clay blocks underwater in rivers, lakes, or oceans. Once you find them, mine them to collect clay balls. Remember, you'll need 4 clay balls to craft 1 brick block, so gather plenty. Next, it's time to smelt your clay balls. Place them into a furnace, along with some fuel like coal, charcoal, or wood. The furnace will then process each clay ball, turning it into a single brick. This is a crucial step before you can craft the final brick blocks. Now that you have individual bricks, open your crafting table. Place 4 of your newly smelted bricks into a 2 by 2 square in the crafting grid. This specific arrangement will then allow you to craft 1 full brick block. Repeat this process to make as many brick blocks as you need for your build. Finally, you can use your crafted brick blocks for building. Brick blocks are a fantastic choice for creating sturdy and visually appealing structures. They are perfect for walls, floors, or even decorative pathways in your Minecraft world. Enjoy building with your new bricks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.